guys, this is Shweta here. I'll be posting lifestyle videos, makeup videos, review videos, whatever I can share on this channel. Please ignore the back uh, untidiness because I have just shifted to a new place and it is still in shifting phase. So there are a lot of things that are here and there. I need to get that schedule, and that is the reason why I have started posting videos also late, because I was a bit busy in the whole month in this particular thing. Today I'm posting this video because I had visited a few places for shopping with my sister. So I thought I'll just quickly share what exactly I got from those shops. I visited 3 shops. So I just thought I should share the things that I bought from these 3 shops. The 3 shops I visited is, one is Krylon because I needed the makeup. Second one was Misubu because I heard this store a lot on Instagram. So I thought I should give it a visit as my sister had on holiday today. So we thought we'll give a visit for it. Third one was the Zudio. Okay, so things I got from the shops. So I'll quickly show you what exactly I got from the shops. The first thing that I got from the first shop that was I visited was the Krylon. I got this cute bag from Krylon. It's a very cute bag. I really like this brand because I have oily skin, and plus I have a lot of pigmentation. So this is the best products that I use because this hides my pigmentation, as well as it is not very oily on my skin and it lasts super long. Rest, I liked it more than even MAC. So this is the shade that I got for myself. I hope it's visible. Yeah. So this is a shade of Supra color. There are 2 variants, that is Derma color and Supra color. So I got this time Supra color. Last time I had used was Derma color, but this time I got Supra color. I thought I'll give it a try. As she told me, it's almost the same. And the shade that I got for myself is FS24. Yeah, and this costed me around 800, which is quite good because the quantity that I got is really huge. I think this will last me for at least 3 to 4 months because I use only not for the whole face. I use it only for the particular sessions where I have a lot of pigmentation. The second product that I got is, this is a color corrector that she gave me because the shade that I got was making my skin look a little whiter tone, and this is an orange color which mix and match and somehow gets it to a little orangish tone and gives me a perfect shade. So I got this shade, and the shade is D427, and this is a stick because she did not have the small variant in that, and she gave me this stick. So this is a stick that I got. This is a stick, and this is how it looks. You need to twist it from underneath, and this is the shade, just like in proper reddish orange shade, like a color corrector. I got this. This costed me around 1,500, and the total cost that I paid over here was 2,300. And this is the 2 shades that I would try, and I would let you know in case if I find this to be oily or something, because my skin is oily and the Derma color wasn't good for oily, but I wanted to try the Supra color as well. These 2 things I got from Krylon. The next shop that I visited was, this is a small bag which I got from Misubu. Okay, so there were these sheet masks that was on offer. These were the 4 sheet masks that I got for 199, and these are the 4 variants. I don't know whether it works or not, but this looks very cute. So I got this because it looks cute. Let's see if it actually works what it says. So there are some berries of fruits flavor. One is goji berry, one is papaya, one is avocado, and one is aloe. That I think it's aloe vera. Yeah, aloe vera. Correct. So these are the 4 ones that I got for 199. I got this perfume. So I actually like the color of this perfume. This is like a pastel blue, and it smells water, beach, because it's an aqua perfume and it actually smells like water. I don't know whether it lasts how long because this is the first time I'm purchasing it. but I hope this will last long as well. Let me try and update you on Instagram if it actually works and stays for long or it's just cute. Then I got some nail color shades. So basically this shopping is not only done for me, it's by my sister as well, because she also uses this. We use the same makeup and all. So this is the 3 shades that I got. Black color because she wanted. This is a golden color that she liked, and pink because I like pink. So these were the 3. I think these are the only 3 ones I got. Yeah. This was for $4.99 each. Yeah. And I think it's good enough. I don't know how it works, how long it stays, but I'm going to just try and let you know about this as well. I got these rubber bands. I like the texture of this rubber band. It's very smooth. I think that these type of rubber bands don't tend your hair to fall or break it. So I like it. So I like this, and this was like an mauve purplish color. I like it. This one is brown color, which will go with most of the outfits. So this is also nice. So I got this one. I think this costed me 59 rupees for 2. The next one I got is something that I think my sister dumped into the bag. Maybe she dumped it because I will like it. Probably she's dumped it, but this is actually cute. The only thing I don't like about this is that this button sort of thing, but it's fine, avoidable. It could be put underneath the rubber band. I don't know whether I use rubber bands. It's usually in my hands, but it is nice. This costed 59, which is okay because the material is good. So 59 is worth. The next one is something that my sister got for herself. I think this is an anklet. Yeah, this is an anklet. So she got this anklet. She likes to wear all these accessories, and also she got this. This was for 99. This is an hand cream. My sister is very dry skin type, so she got this for her. This is a peach variant. I don't know how it smells. Yeah, it's nice. It's like peach. The next one is, it's like a lip shade that she got for herself. This is a brown shade because we 3 sisters, all 3 of us like brown colors, wine brown, dark colors, as it suits with our skin tone, so we like it. So this one is also a brown color, but this is a little lighter brown, the usual brown that I use. This gives me like a mauve and brown mixture. I don't know whether it's visible. Yeah, it's kind of this shade. It's like a brown, like mauve. When I put it on my hand, it's looking mauve, but it's good. I don't know. She's going to use it. I'll see if she puts up any post. I'll repost and I'll let you know if that is that particular lip shade that she used. So this was the only shopping that I did from Miss Boo. I went to the Andheri West shop, which is in the Star Bazaar, where the Star Bazaar is located near Infinity Mall. I found it to be okay because I think people have visited the shops and it is okay. I didn't find it to be very great because the shop is quite small, and I find there are other shops as well which might provide us better products. But let's see how it works. There were other products. There were bags and all, but those were costing $7.99, $8.99, which I think on discounts we usually find on H&M. So I don't think we need to go to Miss Boo and buy it. So the next shop that I visited was Zudio. So Zudio has become like one of my favorite shops because Zudio is very reasonable, and it is good with clothes. There are good clothes and all. I know it becomes common, but still, to use at home or to just use it for once, twice and then throw it off, it's fine, you can use it. And people can use it if they want to use it because the quality is good. Yeah, but if people don't like the common thing, then they can use it for once and twice if they want to, and then just move on with other ones, and they can buy because these are not very expensive, so you don't have that gum of throwing away your expensive clothes. She got this, what do you call this? Flip-flops? I don't know. Slipper or flip-flop, whatever you call it. This one, I don't know, my sisters are obsessed with these type of chappals, and I hate these type of chappals because these are very kadak and I don't like it. But it's fine, they like it. And this is like peach color, peach pink color. She liked it, so she got it for herself. This costed her $2.99. Oh god, $2.99? This was cheap. Yeah, okay. Mascara. She was complaining her mascara is over and she saw this. And actually we saw the trial variant over there. The wand was very good. It was like that curvy wand. So we liked it. We'll just try. I don't know whether it's waterproof or no. It says it's water resistance, but let's see if it is actually water resistant. This is the correct season to test it because it's going to rain now. Let's just see this. Oh. Now this says this is a sunscreen wipes, but I'm not sure whether actually sunscreen. And I'm not getting it because it's a sunscreen. I find it to be very cute and it's very small as well. So you can just dump it in your sling, or you can dump it in your bag and just keep it only for the purpose of using it as a wipe. So I got this. We got 2 of it, and this costed one for $4.49, which is okay because I find this would have at least 20 sheets. I'm not sure because they don't mention it. That's fine for $4.99. Oh, she got another pair of heels, and this looks little bit darker powder blue. It's blue, but it's powder blue, but it's little dark powder blue. Not exactly the powder blue, but it's nice. And she got it for herself because she likes box heels as well. She likes heels, so she got this one for her. And this also costed her $6.99, which is also fine. Then we got these ones. Now actually, she liked this one, I like this one. So we bought this one as well. I know there are a lot of scrunchies, and how many ever scrunchies you get, it is always less. So we got this one. This was for $79, which is okay because the material of this particular one is really good. And this one is like a cloth material, but this looks very cute. So I got this. I actually like the pink one also, but then the pink one, this one was a little, not exactly pink, it was little darker pink, so we did not like it, so we did not get, because we don't find $79 worth to be paid for only one single scrunchie. So we got this one. The next tint we got, okay, so last time also we got this tint. It was in brown shade, and it is really good because it's a kind of sticky, so it stays long. And it gives a little bit of glitter and shimmer on your lips, which is nice if you're wearing some tint, and if you wear this tint above it also, it looks nice, specifically the brown one. But this, I also had the red one with me, and this is like in purple color, and I really liked it. I'll just quickly swatch and show you how exactly it looks. Yeah, so this is the shade when it is swatched. So it's really nice. I liked it. I'll use it. Let's see how it looks on my pigmented lips. Next one is a lipstick that we got. This is in the shade Satin Wicked. As I told you, we like those wine, brown, dark color shades. We got this one also in that particular shade. How many ever shades we get, we always get these shades, and we still get the same ones because we use it. Yeah, so this is, I think this is the same shade, but it's just without glitter. That one is a lip tint shade, and this is a lipstick. No, it's different. It's kind of different. It's a little reddish. It's nice. I like it. It's like a maroon and reddish color. I like it. We use it. Okay, yeah, sorry, I forgot to mention the price for that. That was $149, and even this is for $149. Both are for $149. Which is good because lip tints and this usually doesn't cost so low. But then this is even good quality. I have used the earlier shades also, and they were good. They last a bit, not decent lasting, not very high long lasting, but it's good. You can use it. Reapply and use it, yeah. Got these 2 clutches, both in the shade blue, but one is a little dark and one is a little light. And this costed $79. Okay, so now we have clothes. So basically we like the clothes. The clothes over there was, nowadays we are still finding the summer clothes over there, and I really like those summer clothes. These type of summer clothes I really like. So my sister, we both got white, but a little different white. So this is what she got for herself. It's like a brown color. It's like an above knee length one, and this was costing $8.99, which is good for a summer dress. And the quality is really nice because I've used Zudio dresses, summer dresses, and I have a lot of summer dresses from there, and it's really nice. I really like it. I specifically go to Zudio to buy those ones. So this is a white one, a literally full white one. Actually, I like two whites. There was another one, but that was a little okayish because that was backless, and the straps was a little confusing. So I just don't wanted to put my head on that. So I just got this one. This is a simple one with a V-neck. Actually, I don't wear V-necks, but I thought I'll just try and wear this one. So I got this one, and this is for $9.99. That's 1,000, which is fine. So this was the shopping that I did. So that's it. We visited these shops. Hope you liked the video, and do like, subscribe, and also comment, and let me know if you have any ideas that I could make videos on. And there would be other videos as well coming. I might take a few days to chill up into it because I'm a bit tied up in the shifting process. So I'm trying to create reels, trying to create videos, as well as trying to post, but it's becoming a little bit difficult. I will surely try and upload videos regularly. I hope you like all my content that I have posted on Instagram. That was just an introduction videos that I've posted, or just a song videos that I've posted. I'll try and post more actual content videos that will help you all to guess products, as well as help you all in any other way, or at least like what you all watch. So that's it. Thank you. Bye.